how are ya? 1955 Chevrolet 150. It has got a freshly rebuilt 402. It has got Posi-Traction, 355 gears in their back, and I will tell you, it is bright, bright red. Cardinal red for you Cardinal fans. Take a look at underneath the hood. Few chrome pieces, eh, Jake?
Just a few.
Just a few, but it's got cold running air, and you know how much we love air, don't you, Jake?
Oh, we love air.
Beautiful aluminum radiator. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. It's a very big car. Custom moldings here on the side, right up here. Got the nice cloth interior so it won't burn you. Really nice inside, really nice interior. Beautiful car, 1955. Tinted windows, kind of looks nice. Got a nice chrome everywhere. These are great cars. Just a different era, you know, but it's got air conditioning, and that's all that's important. Nice low profile tires. We just rebuilt the 402, runs like a champ, and we're definitely gonna take it out for a spin and put the AC on in this hot, hot day. You ready, Jake?
I am ready.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Ooh.
And
How about that air, Jake?
my window works. The air was off, now it's on.
Nice.
Oh, it's blowing.
That's what we want. Oh, look, power windows, Jake.
And it's cold.
We're just gonna leave mine down, Jake, because we want to hear the rumble, huh? Good gravy. It's a little warm here in the Middle West. Whew. Oh, these got great mirrors. I like them. Got a gauge? Yes, we do, and we do have gas. This is always nice to have gas, Jake. We don't want to have that, you know, happen to us. Running out of fuel. We've only had it happen to us twice, though, Jake. That's not that bad.
Oh.
She's got some pickup.
It's a big block, I'd hope so.
I would hope so as well, and boy, oh boy. Stop's really nice as well. Wow, I'm not even putting my foot in it, Jake. Wow, it's a big cruiser. Boy, it's nice. A lot of headroom. Oh wow, the roundabout. This is our first journey around the real roundabout.
I've been sick for about a week and they finished the roundabout. Maybe that's all it took. They're coming across the bridge, I think.
Is he going the wrong way or is he coming towards us?
I can't see him yet. I think he's going away from us.
Oh good, if not, we're gonna have to go on a little bit of high-speed pursuit. Kidding, Jake. All jokes. Sure does sound good. I bet you people from Philadelphia could hear us, or maybe not. Doesn't really matter, Jake. It's a very good running car. I like it. It's moving.
It's a cruiser, isn't it?
It is a cruiser. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable.
And I kind of like the cloth seats, not gonna lie.
Well, here's the deal. In the summer here in St. Louis, you definitely want to have cloth seats.
Got some pickup.
She does.
You know what I love?
Talk to me.
This dashboard. Look, it's all bow ties.
Oh my God, I didn't even notice that. How cool.
You've never known that?
I thought it was cedar lattice.
Nope,
It
it's
looked
all
like lattice work.
Chevy bow ties in the dash.
Well, yes, beautiful 402 is definitely making this Chevy very proud.
It's symmetrical styling as well. I have my own hump for what is on your side a gauge cluster, and on my side it's a speaker and a clock.
A speaker and a clock.
Speaker and a clock.
That's all you need.
Hey man, this AC's blowing cold.
I'm freezing, and I love it. Because it is hot as blue blazes. I think it's 96, isn't it?
That might be, well, the heat index is definitely higher than that, but...
Yeah, it feels like it. Here we go. Here we go. That scared the heck out of me, Jake.
It goes.
It definitely loves to go quickly in that direction. It's real comfortable, too. Really comfortable.
And the seat's cushy. We got room in the back for people.
Actual human-sized people, Jake. It's my favorite thing. I'll go further down. People are going to start figuring out our spots. Do our start up. Jake, have you ever been in a car that it actually actually wants you to put the arm right here and just drive like this. It feels like it was built for this.
Not one that looks as good as this one.
Exactly. Jake, you need to drive this back immediately.
All right. Do we look in the trunk though?
Why don't we?
Let's see what goodies we have in here. Look at that floor mats.
Floor mat. The battery is all set up back here.
The battery is back here.
You gotta love a good battery.
Very nice trunk.
Nice car in general, Jake. Jake the Snake. Feeling good after his small